Okay, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon. Okay, so good afternoon. Today we are going to have our new lesson, which is called parallel structure. Again, we are going to have our new lesson for today, which is called parallel structure. Okay, so at the end of the lesson, I will give instructions about the activity and what you are going to do. So please finish the video and carefully listen and understand what I am going to say. And the good thing about this one is that um, if you don't understand or heard of something, if you are having hard time understanding the video, you can just rewatch it on the part where there is something hard to understand, or if you have any questions or concerns, just comment it down on the video and I will reply ASAP. Or in the Google Classroom, you can just mention it, your concerns and problems on the topic. So without further ado, let's start. So our topic is about parallel structure. So this is kind of part of the structure of a sentence or a paragraph. So it will talk about not just we will talk about not just grammar, but also the structure of your literature or your article. Okay, so let's start. So let us first define what is a parallel structure. A parallel structure is the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. So a parallel structure is what do you call this? It is a form in which you are going to show two or more words or ideas that they have the same level of importance, that they are the same. That's why it is called parallel. So it is the same in structure, same in use. So later on you will understand it more when we see what do you call this, when we see uh, a little or some examples of parallel structure. So just to remind you, if you are having hard time uh, understanding this lesson, because I'm going to tell you now, it is a little bit hard. Okay, so if you don't understand it, you can just ask me, or again, just comment it down on the comment section of this video, or on our Google Classroom. Okay. So there are rules in here in the parallel structure because it is a form. So we had a lot of things to consider and to follow. Number one, parallel structures must be joined with conjunctions. Are you familiar with conjunctions? I know that you're already familiar with this because you are in high school. So, what are conjunctions? Hmm. Conjunctions are these. Conjunctions are words like and, or, but, yet, so. Again, conjunctions are and, or, but, yet, so. So conjunctions connect or combine words, phrases, or clauses. So the function or the purpose of conjunction is to combine or connect. Okay, combine or connect. So parallel structures must be joined with and, or, but, yet, so. Understood? So words, for example, we have here um, examples of words and adverbs. So in verbs, we have singing, reading, to hike. While in adverbs, we have gracefully, clearly, really, loud. Or let me read it again. So in words, we have here singing, reading, to hike. And in adverbs, we have here gracefully, clearly, and really loud. Now, what can you see? Are you seeing something? Can you find the difference or similarities if you can? Okay, so you can see that we have here, wait a minute, let me use this highlighter. So we have here to hike that is a little bit different from singing and reading. And also in adverbs, we have here really loud, which is different from gracefully and clearly. Again, remember no, the definition of parallel structure. It has the same. It must be the same. Okay? Same structure, same importance, same value, same form. For example, singing, ing, reading, ing, gracefully, ly, clearly, ly. This one really loud, even though there is a ly in really, but that is not the correct word. Okay, so these words are called not parallel. Okay? Again, so this group of words is not is called parallel because there is something different with the group of words. So what is it called again? It's called not parallel. Parallel, not parallel. Okay? So also in here, it is called not parallel because it is not the same, right? Singing, reading, ing, gracefully, clearly, ly, which is much different from to hike and really loud, right? Okay, so in here, the reason for being not parallel is that they have different grammatical structure, just like what I am saying. Singing and reading both ends with ing. They are in the so-called infinitive. And we have here gracefully and clearly and really clearly, which ends with ly, an adverb of manner. And from the last one, really loud, which is not the same in the grammatical structure of the first two. Okay. So what is it called again? It is called not parallel because there is someone or something that is different from the others. Okay? Okay. So it must be hiking. If you want to make this group of words as parallel structures, we must use the correct form of this word, which is hiking. And this one, loudly. So we will read it singing, reading, hiking. Both ends with ing. Gracefully, clearly, loudly. These words are both ends with ly. Okay? So they are now parallel. Okay? Because they have the same grammatical structure now. Is that understood? And in here, gracefully, clearly, loudly, they are both parallel now because they have the same grammatical structure. Can you follow? If not, please repeat this video. Okay, so that's it about uh, parallel structure. We just have to follow the rules. Okay? The rule is Parallel must join by conjunctions, and it must be equal, the same form, okay? So that's all for today. Now, if you are done reading or watching this video, just comment down in the comment section, done, okay? Just say done in the comment section, D-O-N-E. Just comment down done, and then that means you are done watching the video. Is that okay? If that's okay, we are done. See you on your examination. By the way, this is included in the examination, okay? So that's it for today. Thank you so much and goodbye.